Hello my dear students, you are most welcome in our video session and you are watching KP Public School. This is our session 6 of unit 3 of class 9th. And in this video basically we are going to discuss about the applying common font style and inserting headers and footers. So first of all, understand what is header and footers. A header is a section of the document that appear on the top of every pages in the top margin एरिया मतलब MS वर्ड के बिल्कुल टॉप पेज के बिल्कुल टॉप पे एक एरिया डिफाइन हो जाता है, मार्जिन एरिया, जहां पे आप अपने पर्टिकुलर डॉक्यूमेंट्स का टाइटल्स वगैरह मेंशन कर सकते हैं. ओके, एंड फुटर इज द सेम सिमिलर अपीयर्स एट द बॉटम ऑफ द एवरी पेज, इज जनरली इन द बॉटम मार्जिन. मतलब जैसे पेज के ऊपर साइड में मतलब टॉप पे जो हमारा हेडर एज अ डॉक्यूमेंट टाइटल वगैरह शो ऑफ होता है, एज अ सेम बिल्कुल नीचे फुटर आता है. फुटर में हम जनरली अपने पेज नंबर्स ऐड कर सकते हैं, चैप्टर्स डाल सकते हैं, सेक्शन टाइटल्स, डेट एंड अदर नेम्स वगैरह उसमें मेंशन कर सकते हैं इजीली. ऑन द स्मॉलर डॉक्यूमेंट समटाइम्स इवन डेट्स कैन बी सेट एज अ फुटर्स, मतलब हम डेट वगैरह उसमें मेंशन कर सकते हैं. द exactly how you can add the headers and footers, exactly you have to go to the insert tab, and here's the header option and footer option also. And from the header and footer groups, you can see in the picture 6a. In 6a I have already defined that how it is look wise according to it. Okay, so I'm going to show you as a practically that how you can just attach header and footers. So here I am just opening my Microsoft Word 2010 and just it is exploring, and here is the insert option. In insert options you will find the header and footer group here, and in this having header, footer, page numbers, you can set up three things in this particular page group: header, footer and page numbers. So first of all I am inserting here a header. So here header I am going to insert. So it is just appearing. अब यहाँ पे बहुत सारे अलग अलग ब्लैंक ऑप्शंस मीन्स यहाँ पे फॉर्मेटिंग दिख रही है. आप किस तरीके के फॉर्मेटिंग एग्जैक्टली यू वांट टू यू कैन ऐड. आई एम चूजिंग दिस वन. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ हेडर इज ऑलरेडी इंसर्टिंग इन माय डॉक्यूमेंट्स. सो बेसिकली आई कैन रीनेम हियर अकॉर्डिंग टू योर टाइटल्स, सब्जेक्ट्स एंड व्हाटएवर. ओके, सो again here is the footer option. How you can attach the footer? So here the text line, and at the bottom of the page you will find such like this type of format. Here you can add your page numbers is default already inserted, and here is the text, whatever you want to just mention you can just type here. Okay, so here the two things on the top, this is the header, and at the bottom of every pages this is called a footer. So I hope so you people are getting very well. And here's the formatting text in the MS Word. So formatting makes the documents looks more presentable and increases readability. आप फॉर्मेटिंग जितना बेहतरीन आप अपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स की करते हैं उतना आप जबरदस्त उसमें लुक वाइज बहुत सारी चीजें आप सेटअप करते हैं जिससे कि वो देखने में बहुत अट्रैक्टिव लगता है और बहुत अच्छी तरीके से रीडेबल होता है. सो फॉर्मेटिंग इज द की कंसर्न ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर डॉक्यूमेंटेशन टू लुक लाइक एज अ वेरी मोर इफेक्टिव प्रेजेंटेबल एंड more effective to increase the readability. And it has to be done according to requirements of the documents. For example, business document should be script crisp and precise, whereas the creative documents about the travel should be attractive and possible. So इस तरीके से वो exactly what kind of document you are going to maintain, that which type of formatting needed on that. So here's the some options are there in which including bold, italic and underline. Exactly how we can just do all these things I'm just showing you here. So here your यहाँ पे title हम mention करते हैं. So again I'm just going to open a new document. So here's the Word. So suppose that I'm going to mention a particular word is here like KP Public School, and अब इसको आपको बोल्ड, इटैलिक, अंडरलाइन क्या करना है उसके अकॉर्डिंग डिपेंडेंसी है. सो यहाँ पे हम MS Word खोलते हैं, ओपन करते हैं. So this is the MS Word, and here I am just typing same things, and just select all the contents, and here will be appear at the title bar, bold, italic, underline. Otherwise same things is already appearing here, bold, italic, underline in font group. So bold, this is bold font, and I'm just going to increase your font size such like that. And here I'm just showing you as a it's bold option, it's bold, it's non-bold, and it's bold. Okay, so here school, so select all the contents, bold, italic, and italic. This is italic formats, and this is underline, whatever you want to exactly. Okay, so this is our overall concepts related with bold, italic, and underline. What is next? In basically what we have to do exactly. So step to make the text to bold. First of all, select the content, click on home tab, and here's the bold option. You can bold your content. And here's the italic, same thing. You have to go to you have to choose in this particular icon like italic, and here the underline options are there. You can underline your whole documents. And second is clearing formatting. Clear formatting is used to clear the formatting such as bold, italic, underline, and all the things. You can just do it. So like how we can just select all the content, and here the erase all the things, and you will find as it is same. जैसा आपने टाइप किया था वैसे ही अपने अर्लियर फॉर्म में आ जाएगा. So here the your self assessments. I'm going to help you to do your self assessments. So here the makes a document more presentable. So here the formatting makes a document more presentable. And here's the click bold from the group. Exactly which group? In font group. Here's the font group. The right answer is what? Font. And here you have just given a very short notes on all these questions. What is a formatting? First of all, what is formatting? So you have to write down this particular paragraphs. Okay, so formatting makes the documents look more presentable and increase the readability. आप ऐसा वहां पे लिख सकते हैं राइट आंसर के फॉर्म में. So what is next question? So here is the next question. Next question क्या है इसको थोड़ा देखते हैं. Next question में आपके इंक्लूड है राइट द स्टेप टू मेक्स द इटैलिक. इटैलिक आप अपने किसी पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट को इटैलिक फॉर्म में कैसे ला सकते हैं. सो यहाँ पे आपका राइट आंसर है इटैलिक. हियर इज द दिस ऑप्शन. Step to make the text italic. Here you have just given this particular things. Okay, and second question is, in the second questions exactly what is define the header and footer. Exactly what is the role of header and footer? So the right answer is here. What is header and footer? Okay, so here header, exactly a header is a section of document that appear on the top of every pages in the top margin area. It may be consist the text or graphic. So the right answer of here is a header. And the footer, a footer similarly appear at the bottom of every page, generally in the bottom margin. And header and footer are generally used to add the page numbers, chapters or section titles. ओके, सो ये यहाँ पे आपको ये आंसर मेंशन करना है. सो व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट असेसमेंट, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ योर असेसमेंट. व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ क्लियर फॉर्मेटिंग फंक्शंस. व्हाट इज द क्लियर फॉर्मेटिंग फंक्शंस? सो क्लियर फॉर्मेटिंग इज यूज्ड टू क्लियर द formatting such as bold, italic, underline, font space, font size, superscripts and subscript and etc. all the selected text. So this is the right answer of your last question. So my dear students, we have just completed successfully of our session 6. So we will just meet you in session 7. So till then, thank you very much and have a great day.